Here we have an ENCO 13-inch by 40-inch geared head bench lathe package. It includes a accurate view, 2-axis digital readout, and scales for the X and Y axis. Also includes the drip pan, the backsplash, 4-jaw chuck, a backing plate, which is in that box. And here's your toolbox with metric change gears. Appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. And we're going to power it up for you and just show you that all the functions on here do operate. And here's your inching button. We checked all the speeds on here. All the speeds operate correctly, as well as the lead screw in the forward and reverse direction. I'm going to go to the apron right here. We're just going to show you that everything on here operates also. There's the cross feed. Digital readout. Okay, so now we're going to go do the longitudinal feed. Ready? Again, we'll come to the digital readout. I'm going to switch it over. Shut the machine off. We're going to go in the reverse direction. Stop, that shuts the machine off, turns everything off on it. Now this machine appears to be just slightly used. We found a few metal shavings on it. It hardly shows any signs of use whatsoever at all, but we have to tell you about the metal shavings. Also on your change gear right here, you have one of these pins where you adjust it. Well, it is missing, so we had to put a polyethylene block under here just to set the gear back into position so you can do the longitudinal feed and the cross feed. So we checked all the, here it is manually. Everything operates very smoothly, very nicely. Okay. Check the tailstock. Tailstock's in real good shape. Overall, the machine's in really good condition. The mounting arm bracket for the digital readout was missing, so we don't have any of the accessories for that, so you'd have to purchase that separately. Includes the operating instruction, parts manual, everything's right here. Has a few little paint chips here and there, nothing major. And we thank you for looking at our